that in times like this, is it not about time for IPOB to unite with the Igbo elders to move forward?
Yes, we are not having any issues. When IPOB was in Kula, nobody identified with it. But since they have seen that the IPOB is now around all over the world, making waves, they decided to come and they identify themselves by force, not even to come and pay allegiance to the leader who is incarcerated in Nigerian prison. So they are still doing things that will destroy what we are doing, and we don't want to now reform, because if they feel they can come and they have peace with the younger ones or the youth or the IPOB leadership and the members of IPOB, they should have come inside, not to making it at the press release. When they make it at the press release, you reply them with in that platform also. So that is why all these things, we are not quarreling, but we want to tell them that the elders supposed to identify themselves in the normal way they're supposed to do it, not by castigating the leadership of even if Nnamdi Kanu is not doing well. They're supposed not to come on the air and make it all that kind of unrecognized or statement. So that is it.
Oh, so you think the Igbo elders should pay homage or allegiance to Nnamdi Kanu?
I am not saying that they should pay homage. This thing that is going on now, this struggle is not meant for the youth. It's meant for everybody, both women, children, everybody. Everyone's supposed to identify. Everyone's supposed to identify him or herself inside the struggle, so that we can put ahead.
Yeah, but if Emma Powerful, my brother, if you think you want to carry everybody along, most Igbos, both the ones home and abroad, are saying that you are doing what they call a public lynching of the Igbo elders. How would you be able to carry everybody along in your struggle or in your quest to actualize Biafra?
That everybody said, both home and abroad, that we are doing what?
That you are castigating the Igbo elders and bringing them to public ridicule.
I don't think we are just giving a reply. I don't know whether you follow the statement.
I do.
We are not reacting on what he said. Therefore, said we don't come out before attack them before any other thing, because they will first of all talk about youth and then we have to defend ourselves.
Are you saying that they started making noise after Nnamdi had made IPOB popular? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but do
you cannot come now and fight for the leadership while the person who has been incarcerated because of it is still in detention. The elders are not doing what they're supposed to do. Even our politicians, they are not doing what they're supposed to do. Make sure they bring everybody. And remember that we disagree to agree. We agree to disagree. And at the same time, our people, Igbo man believes so much. When you tell the person the wrong thing, you go inside his house and think about it. When you think about it, you come out with a positive answer.
Yeah, but these people you are saying are not speaking for you. They are saying that Nnamdi went behind them to register another IPOB, which is different from theirs. And every other person in...
I'm not aware of that. I don't know anything about that.
Yeah, but when I interviewed both Dr. Egemba, even Umar Siebu, some of your members here, some of your leaders here in New York, they all said yes, that the group Nnamdi leads is different from the one being headed by Justice Osobo. How do you react to that?
Well, since you have gotten the reaction of our leaders over there, you don't need to ask me about that question because I don't know the actual time they register.
Okay. Let me ask you this, my brother, because when people are watching what is going on between you people and the people they look up to as their elders, we Igbos, we were all trained. We all grew up to respect our elders. How come you on Facebook, your members are just calling the Igbo elders all kinds of names in the book? They call some of them bastards. Some of them say they will kill them. Why are you people not telling your members to respect the Igbo elders, no matter what they have done?
What we are doing here, we are doing it for our generation, the next generation, and generation to come. Not for we alone at this point in time. It is the elders who have been claiming that the IPOB members are insulting them. We have not seen them attacked by any of our members. But if you go to other tribes in Nigeria, you know, if you say they are Igbo man, you know that when an elder insults them or derides for what they are doing, they always attack that very person that is asked to kill because of the Igbo man doesn't believe in shedding blood. That is why we are not ready to kill anybody. We have opportunity. We can only use our mouth to correct our elders because you can't beat him or her. So many elders are interested in knowing that what these boys are saying, what these people are saying, is correct. So that is it.
Yeah, but other tribes like the Yorubas or the Hausas, my brother, their tribe or their tradition, permits them to say anything to their elders. But we Igbos, we respect our elders no matter what. We don't come out publicly and begin to insult our elders.
How can our elders come out openly and in our own language they say so that is it. Because if they feel what is going on is not correct, they should have come on the air and say it. They will call some people, reach them if they have even if they have no power to reach those in this country because they may not agree to see them. They're supposed to go outside and see these people over there, outside, and they discuss with them. Everything will go in a normal way. Not come on air and say all sorts of things.
Yeah, but these elders you are talking about, I have interviewed most of them. I interviewed Mazi Kedife, interviewed Colonel Achuzie, all of them. Even Colonel Achuzie is saying that Nnamdi should be released unconditionally. The man is speaking very well about Nnamdi. He spoke very well about Nnamdi. Yeah, and yet.
Have been saying that on paper. Release him. What effort inside?
Yeah.
That's what it shall ask them.
Yeah, but each time they go to Abuja, each time they go to Abuja, and each time they make any statement of him being released, the same people, Clifford and Imam Ezo, always issue press release distancing yourself from them and saying that they don't speak on your behalf. So which Igbo man would go to Abuja to speak on your behalf that you people will think is the person is credible or the person is qualified?
Because of the attitude they used to perform here. That is why. Because they will say yes, the other side they say no, the other side. You won't trust them. That is why they are doing all this Iran and the members and the Atibu. We are saying all those things.
So which Igbo man or who is the Igbo leader that can speak on your behalf now, since all Igbo leaders are rebels?
Anybody that makes any effort now to make sure that the Nnamdi Kanu is out, we know the person is the person that we can trust.
Mention one person or one group that could speak on your behalf.
It is not my duty to negotiate or to appoint who will negotiate for the IPOB. All those people we are talking with, Atibu, Mmezu, Uchemefo, and Urana, and the others. You can discuss with them. They will tell you, what to do.
Yeah,
not me. I'm not in position to do it.
Yeah, but my brother, everyone listening to them, or those who have listened to Clifford over 30 times on this station, they are of the opinion that Clifford and Imam Ezo, they are working against the release of Nnamdi due to their utterances and due to the press releases that they issue all the time attacking Igbo leaders. So what do you have to tell those who are saying that those of you at home are being fooled by those abroad, that is your leaders abroad, because that your leaders abroad, all they're doing is to make money off you people?
That is why I said, how can I say that they are there to fool our members here? No. I don't comment on that. I don't have any matter or to say on that. I don't have anything to say on that.
Okay, but people are
Africa's #1 music station overseas, Nigerian FM.